Hello, my name's Kieran Dale, and in this Show Me Do, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the WXPython library, which enables you to easily and quickly program great-looking graphical user interfaces. So we start off at www.wxpython.org. That's the WXPython home site, and we find ourselves on this page. Get it while it's hot. The quickest way to access the Windows binaries is to go to the download section on the bottom left and to click on binaries. So we find ourselves here with four options. We've got Python 2.3 or 2.4 in ANSI or Unicode. I have Python 2.4 installed, and I would recommend installing it if you don't have it installed, because it has some upgrades on Python 2.3. There's to paraphrase the advice given here, if you don't know that you need the Unicode version, then the ANSI version will probably do you fine, and I've certainly found that to be the case. So I'm going to left click on the Win32 ANSI. This takes me to some mirror sites to download from. I'm going to choose the UK option, University of Kent, because I'm in the UK. So I left click on the download there. And it should shortly begin. There we go. It gives me the option to save it to disk, which I will do. And downloads are complete. I'm using Python. So here we have it. If I double left click on this WXPython executable and say yes, I want to download it, I get into the setup wizard. I left click on next, I accept the license agreement. It's generally best to go with all the defaults for the next few options. Full installation, yes. So here it is installing in the site packages directory of Python 2.4. So we'll click finish on this, minimize, and here it is compiling the packages, and it sends us a little text readme, which I would suggest you do. I have done before, and that should have installed WXPython on our system. We're not finished yet, because there's one more thing we need if we're to really learn how to use WXPython. I thoroughly recommend downloading the docs and demos. They do contain a fantastic WXPython demo program, which I will hopefully be demonstrating later on in the series. So we left click on that, follow the same course. We save it to disk. So there it is, and we will double left click on that, follow the same pattern. We'll accept all the terms. It will stick it in its own directory. So this is this docs and demos package has is very comprehensive, and as I said, I'll show you in a second. It has this wonderful demo package, which enables you to very, very quickly come to terms with the all WXPython has to offer. So here we go. should be done. There we go. Now I'm going to minimize. Once again, we have some text to read. It's always worth doing that. To make sure that it's come down, I will try to find it, which it should be. Where are you? There we go. WX Python docs. And if we run the demo, fingers crossed, this is all written in WX Python, so we'll know whether it's all working. Here we get our demo, and we can show a directory dialog just to prove it. Okay, so there we have it on the system, WX Python.